Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, a 50-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica. And on here, we strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and medicinal uses of plants that grow in Jamaica and in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing. It's totally free. And turn on your post notifications so you'll be alerted whenever we upload a new video. So, clove tea, derived from the dried flower buds of the clove tree, also known scientifically as Syzygium aromaticum, is a beverage celebrated not only for its warm aromatic flavor, but also for its extensive health benefits. Clove, a spice with origins in the Maluku Islands of Indonesia, has been utilized in culinary and medicinal practices for centuries. So in this video, we're pretty much going to be looking at 6 benefits of clove tea, how to make it, recommended dosage and usage, where to buy it, and necessary precautions to consider. So without further ado, let us dive straight into the video. Clove tea is renowned for its ability to enhance digestive health. This is because eugenol, a compound found in cloves, stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and reducing issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It also helps with an upset stomach and promotes the easy movement of food through the digestive tract, supporting efficient digestion. Clove tea has pain-relieving properties, mainly because of the eugenol present, which helps to provide relief from different types of pain, including headaches, toothaches, and sore throats. Clove tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, which make it beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders, reducing pain and inflammation. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help with fighting against oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. So essentially, if you consume clove tea regularly, it can help to cut down on the risk of chronic diseases such as the big C, heart disease, and neurodegenerative conditions by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Clove tea has antimicrobial properties that help fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi, enhancing the body's defense against infections. So during the cold and flu season, a warm cup of clove tea can be especially useful as it offers a natural boost to the immune system and also helps with reducing the severity of symptoms if an infection occurs. For respiratory problems, inhaling the steam from clove tea can also be beneficial. Clove tea has antibacterial properties that can help to reduce oral bacteria. So essentially, it can help with the prevention of gum diseases and cutting down on bad breath. Eugenol is an antiseptic, and because it is also a pain-relieving compound, it can help us to maintain healthy teeth and gums, combating bacteria that causes tooth decay and gum disease. Research suggests that clove tea may help in blood sugar regulation. Cloves improve insulin function and lower blood glucose levels, making clove tea a potential natural remedy for managing diabetes. It helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing detrimental spikes and crashes. To make clove tea is very simple. All you need to do is to steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of whole cloves or 1 clove tea bag in 1 cup of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it and add some honey or lemon for flavor if desired. If not, you can have it plain. To maximize on the benefits of clove tea, it's important to consume it in appropriate amounts. Typically 1 to 2 cups a day after meals, before going to bed, or mid-morning is considered safe and effective for most people. For people who want to try it for the first time, it's advisable to start with 1 cup per day, and observing how your body responds is advisable. Gradually increase to 2 cups per day if well tolerated. Clove tea can be purchased in supermarkets, health food stores, specialty tea shops, and from online retailers. You can prepare clove tea from clove tea bags, whole cloves, or clove powder. For those who are interested, you can get a wide selection of high-quality organic options from Amazon. If you would like to take a look at some of these options, please click on the links in the description below. While clove tea offers numerous health benefits, it's important to consider the following precautions. Some people may be allergic to cloves. If you experience symptoms such as skin rashes, itching, or difficulty breathing after consuming clove tea, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Excessive consumption of clove tea can lead to adverse effects. It is crucial to stick to the recommended dosage of 1 to 2 cups per day. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before consuming clove tea, as excessive intake may pose risks to the mother and baby. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as bleeding disorders, should use clove tea with caution and under medical supervision due to its blood thinning properties. Clove tea can interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners. So if you are on medication, consult your healthcare provider before incorporating clove tea into your routine. There is a possibility that clove tea could lower blood sugar levels drastically. So if you're on diabetic medications, make sure to talk to your doctor before drinking it. Avoid clove tea if you have stomach issues. That's it for now, my beautiful people. I hope you found value in today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.